This is your celebratory turf and serve, a perfectly cooked filet mignon smothered in a lobster sauce that will make you the hero of your dinner party. Starting with a duo of gorgeous certified Angus beef fillets and getting them seasoned and ready for my hot skillet with my go-to favorite seasoning for beef, just some simple salt and pepper. That's all you really need with certified Angus beef. Adding a little neutral oil to preheat in my skillet, and I get a nice crust on both sides of my steaks. This will probably take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. And really, don't mess with your steaks here, my friends. Don't worry about it. Let it brown, let it create a beautiful caramelization just like this. Always remembering to get the sides seared as well. Crust is flavor, my friends, so don't be afraid to put some texture on every bit of these fillets. I transfer the steaks to a wire rack on a baking sheet and finish them in the oven while I get my sauce ready. I like to start by making my garlic coconut milk. This is super easy and adds great flavor to our lobster sauce. All I do is blend my fresh garlic cloves with my coconut milk in a blender, and I set it aside for later when we're ready to actually build the sauce. I love to use shallot over onion in my lobster sauce because it's a bit more mild and still gives that hit of pungent acid that we all want in the sauce. I sauteed the minced shallot in the same pan that I seared those steaks in, and I get the pan heavily seasoned with all of my spices. The spices will naturally toast a little bit, and that will brighten their flavor even more. Deglaze with a little bit of sherry, which is so satisfying, and add in the garlic coconut milk and give it a little stir. And here is where we add our heavy cream to really cream out the sauce. Now it's time for some lobster prep. I've already cooked my lobster and chilled it in an ice bath to stop the cooking.
You want to eat the tamale?
And get the big chunks out because I think that chunky lobster is the way to go.
Sorry, did you get
it? Chop your lobster meat chunky. We like this sauce to have texture and it's a beautiful presentation at the end. Once our lobster meat is ready, we just need the final touches on our sauce. And for this lobster sauce, I love to finish with some fresh thyme for a little herbaceousness, and then a lot of lemon will add so much brightness to it. I zest the entire lemon with a microplane, and then I put all of the lemon juice in the sauce. Finished with a few pads of cold butter, turn off the heat and fold in all of that beautiful lobster. This is a gorgeous seafood sauce. I know that this is all about the beef today, but this sauce is really dynamite. This is the presentation right here. Keep your filet whole and load it up with that sauce. Smother this certified Angus beef filet with this beautiful lobster sauce. This is a meal worth celebrating with. See you next time here in the test kitchen.